Imagine yourself stepping onto the runway with confidence, grace, and undeniable presence. Your journey to mastering the art of modeling begins now. Are you ready to transform your dreams into reality? For aspiring models who dream of making their mark in the fashion world, this is your moment. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your skills, our essential modeling techniques will elevate your model presence and set you apart. Join the F.A.I.T.H Model Guide's exclusive network and discover the secrets of supermodel excellence. Learn how to captivate your audience with every step, embodying elegance and poise that leave a lasting impression. Engage in hands-on exercises that perfect your walk and posture. Learn to strike powerful poses that highlight your unique features and style. And develop the self-assurance needed to shine under the spotlight. Step into the world of fashion with faith, skills, and confidence of a true professional. Your modeling journey starts here, and the opportunities are limitless. If you're ready to unleash your modeling potential, download the F.A.I.T.H Model Guide step-by-step professional modeling ebook and take the first steps towards becoming the model you've always envisioned. The time is now to step into your future with assurance and clarity. Embrace your unique beauty, master your inner and outer supermodel presence, and let the world see your brilliance. Click the link to download your professional modeling guide now. My name is Iman Jasmine Brown, and I'll see you on the inside.